DTF printing just got easier. Meet the SureColor G6070, the first direct-to-film printer from Epson. Designed for reliability, built for business. With less maintenance and unmatched ease of use, the G6070 keeps you focused on what matters. Printing, not problem solving. If you've struggled with needy DTF printers in the past, this is the solution you've been waiting for. Engineered for smooth, consistent performance, day in, day out. And now for a limited time, we are adding 12 extra months of on-site warranty service plan absolutely free. Enjoy unparalleled production efficiency with 36 inches of high-resolution DTF transfer output to tackle any project, big or small. New to DTF? No problem. The G6070 makes it easier than ever to get started, with user-friendly operation and industry-leading support to ensure a seamless learning experience. More printing, less maintenance, extra protection. Contact us today to learn more and take advantage of this limited time offer.